Good day. Today we will be discussing lots of indices and we'll be applying it to some of the JAMB questions in mathematics. Like the first one, we have x to the power n times x to the power m. In multiplication, you have addition. When you have division, it will be subtraction. And the n to the power minus n will be 1 over x over n, and n to the power 0 is 1. So the first question, 8 raised to the power x over 2 equals 2 raised to the power 3 over 8, 4 raised to the power 3 over 4. Now, 8 is 2 raised to the power 3 like I've done there. So 2 will still remain the same, over 3 over 8, raised to the power 3 over 8. And the 4 is 2 raised to the power 2 times that 3 over 4. So now, the 2 raised to the power 3 will now give you, if you multiply 3 times x over 2, it will give you 3x over 2. So the next one will be 2 raised to the power 3 over 8 times 2 raised to the power 2 times 3 is 6 over 4. So you rewrite that again, 3x over 2 equals, now according to that law, under multiplication, since they have the same base, which is 2, that will be 3 over 8 plus 6 over 4. So you write 2 raised to the power 3x over 2 will now be equals to 2 raised to the power. Now you find the SCM. The SCM is 8. 8 in 8 is 1. 1 times 3, 3. 4 in 8, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So if you continue like that, you now have 2 raised to the power 3x over 2 equals 2 raised to the power 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 over 8. Now the two have the same base, so you can cancel them out. So that it will now be left with 3x over 2 equals 15 over 8. Now if you cross multiply, you have 3x equals 15 times 2 divided by 8. So if you divide both sides by 3, you have x equals 15 times 2 divided by 3 times 8. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 5. So your x will be equals to 5 over 4. And that will be your answer. So it is very important to understand the law when you are applying it in law. So for the second question, we have 81 raised to the power 3 over 4 minus 27 raised to the power 1 over 3 divided by 3 times 2 raised to the power 3. So the first thing that we have to do is to look for a way to simplify 81 and 27. So 81 is 3 raised to the power 4. So you multiply it by 3 over 4 there. Minus 27 is 3 raised to the power 3 times 1 over 3. So everything divided by 3 times 2 raised to the power 3. So now that 4 cancel that 4 there. So you are left with 3 raised to the power 3. That one 3 cancel out 3, you are left with 3. So now it's 3 times 2 raised to the power 3. Now 3 raised to the power 3 is 27 minus 3 divided by 3 times 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. So 27 minus 3 is 24 divided by 3 times 8 is 24 as well. So 24 divided by 24 will give you 1. So that's how you solve that question. So to the next question, we have 25 raised to the power x plus 3 into bracket 5 raised to the power x equals 4. It's also a JAMB question. So 25 is 5 raised to the power 2 times x times that power of x plus 3 raised to the power 5 raised to the power x equals 4. Now you can just write that to be 5 raised to the power x, we bracket it, raised to the power 2 plus 3 5 raised to the power x equals 4. So the best way to go about it is to say let y equals 5 raised to the power x. So now substitute y into the expression. You have y raised to the power 2 plus 3y equals 4. So if you y raised to y squared plus 3y, you bring in your 4, that is minus 4 equals 0. So this has led to quadratic equation. So the next thing is to simplify. So to solve the equation, you have y squared plus 4y minus y minus 4 equals 0. So to solve it using quadratic equation, so now you factorize. If you factorize, you have y into bracket y plus 4 And the next one will be minus 1 y into bracket y plus 4. So for the second one, you have minus 1 into bracket y plus 4 equals 0. So you have y minus 1 into bracket, you take 1 out of the 2y plus 4, you take 1 equals 0. So we are now left with y equals 1 and y equals minus 4. Now, since you are looking for x, we're not looking for y. Don't forget. So taking y equals 1, you have 1 equals 5 raised to the power x. And 1 can be 5 raised to the power 0 equals 5 raised to the power x. So that means your x equals 0 because they both have the same base 5. So your x equals 0. Now, for the second one, which is y equals minus 4, you can't use, sorry for the mistake I made there, is y equals minus 4. So you can't use, you can't equate it with 5 raised to the power x, because that one will be a bit, will not give us a whole number, a whole number. So, and according to the options that it is in the question, s is equals to 0. So the next question, we have 9 raised to the power x minus half equals 3 raised to the power x raised to the power 2. 3 raised to the power x, and x is also raised to the power 2. Now to go about that, you have 9 is 3 raised to the power 2, like I've done on the board, equals 3 raised to the power x raised to the power 2. They have the same base, which is 3, so they can cancel out each other. So, or you just expand straight up. So you have 2x minus 2 times half is 1 equals 3 raised to the power x raised to the power 2. So you are left with 2x minus 1 equals x squared. So if you rearrange, you have x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. So that also, this is a quadratic equation, so you solve it quadratically. So the answer you are going to have there, since you said you have x squared minus 2x plus 1, so you have minus x plus 1. So that will be x into bracket x minus 1. So x minus 1, so equals 0. So you have x minus 1 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0. So if you solve it, you are going to have x equals 1 in 2 places. So it's better you write x equals 1 twice. So that's how to solve that question. So that's also a JAMB question. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, and you can ask any question at the comment section. Thank you.